Hello, I am Raghu, representing RJS Polytechnic. I am the HOD for the Department of Mechatronics at this Polytechnic. I am at the entrance of the Polytechnic, located on CA site number 1 on Vemana Road, Koramangala, Bangalore 34. Now I am going on the all-weather road leading to the main building of the Polytechnic. This is the parking area for staff, and on the other side the students park their vehicles. I am showing you the playground for the Polytechnic. Now we are approaching the main building of the Polytechnic. You can see one board is in English, and at the top there is another board in the Kannada language, which is the local language. Now I am entering the reception area. This is the waiting and reception area. Now I am leading you to our principal's chamber. Now we are inside the principal's chamber. Now I am going to show you the administrative section. This room actually houses admission and scholarship section as well as exam section. This is our placement office located at G006. This is the barrier-free environment of the main building, which leads to the library. Now we are on the first floor of the Polytechnic main building. We are at P101, which houses the staff and HODs of the departments of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering. Now we are on the second floor of the Polytechnic main building. We are at the entrance of room P201, which houses the HODs and staff of the departments of Computer Science and Science. Now we are at the entrance of room P304, which houses the staff room for the electronics department. It also houses the HOD of the department. We are at room P401, which houses the staff rooms for the departments of civil and electrical engineering. Now we are at the entrance of P102, which is a classroom. This is P103, which is also used as a classroom. P104 is again a classroom. Now we are at the entrance of P106, which is a classroom. This is P107, which is again a classroom. Now we are at the entrance of room P202, which is a classroom. This is room P203, which is again a classroom. Now we are on the third floor of the Polytechnic main building. We are at the entrance of room number P301, which is a classroom. Now we are at the entrance of room P302, which is a classroom. We are at room P402, which is a classroom. Room P405 is a classroom. P407 is a classroom. Now we are at P307, which houses Drawing Hall 1. P408 is our second drawing hall. Now we are at the entrance of room P206, which houses software testing, ARM controller and Verilog labs. This is P207, which houses microcontroller, computer aided drawing and computer numerical control labs. Now we are showing you P205, which houses Java, Linux and Python programming labs. Now we are at the entrance of room P04, which houses the labs for data structure, network security and web programming. Now we are at the entrance of room P303, which houses the communication lab, analog electronics and communication lab. Now we are at P305, which houses the basic electronics lab, industrial automation. We are at P306, which is the digital electronics lab. P403 houses the central computing lab. The room P404 houses the labs for civil AutoCAD, estimation and simulation and computer aided electrical drafting. I am at the entrance of the annex block of the Polytechnic. Now, this is the materials testing lab. Now I am at the entrance of the fluid machinery lab. Now I am at the entrance of the foundry and forging lab. Now we are showing you our machine shop facility. I am at the entrance of the machine shop. Now I am at the entrance of the thermal lab used by our mechanical department. I am at the entrance of C103, which houses electrical measurements, power electronics and electrical circuits lab. I am showing you the AC and DC machines lab, servicing lab and motor controls lab. Our workshop practice facility. I am at the entrance of the additional building of the Polytechnic. We are entering the additional building. Room C102 locates the electrical wiring practice lab. Now I am at the entrance of the survey lab located at C101. I am showing you room C107, which is housing soil and material testing lab. Now we are in front of C106, which is locating construction practice and environmental lab. This is the robotic and electro-pneumatic lab used by the Department of Mechatronics. Now we are in front of the language lab facility. Now we are entering the amenities area of the Polytechnic. Now I am showing you the seminar hall of the Polytechnic. This is the boardroom. This is the library. Now I am going to show you the digital library. This is our digital library facility. Reading room facility of our library. This is room G003, which houses the girls' common room. We are at the entrance of the medical room. We are at the entrance of the boys' common room located at G004. P108 is the washroom for boys. 109 is washroom for staff. The Polytechnic main building has got washrooms on all its floors. Now I am showing you the washroom for physically challenged. This is the provision for the lift, and this space is utilized by our housekeeping staff. We are in front of room P501, which is the central store. We are in front of room P406, which houses the stationery store.